bafethu wonke umuntu ufuna uBlackberry siyacala ukuxolela abantu so nge-interview yomuntu so guys umuntu engimphethe la uBlackberry show labantu abaningi bamkena nimkena ngedisk ifone emnyama so Black ngicela uzintroduce ngegama lakho lamampela cause most yabantu bakwazi ngoBlack usho ukuthi ubani wakabani ubuyaphi.
Alright, ngiyabonga for i-interview. Igama uXolani, ngibuya eThembisa isibongo uNkala. So yeah, yimi loyo uBlackberry.
Abantu ababhaya bakwazi ngedisk laseKasi show lile likudumisile so sicela like usoke through icareer yakho yebhola ukuthi uqale nini ukudlala ibhola like wadlala kuyiphi team until manje.
Alright, yeah, uyazi mfethu ibhola uliqala usasemncane yabo but mangikhumbula kahle bengidlalela iHurricane neRangers then from there uyazi mawukhula I get an opportunity ukuthi ngidlale kuSAB kuBlack Pirates then from kuBlack Pirates ngaya kuABC ngadlalela iDolphin for 2 seasons sawini league then we went to ama playoff mangifika kuma playoff bang scouta ngaya kuMbembola for i-professional contract yami yokuqala then from there Mbombela then M-Tigers JDR TTM yeah manje ngikutanda so yeah.
So Grootman angitshele as a player like i-pressure uhendlila kanjani and uziprepare kanjani for ama game afana nalawa seKasi and leyitala lezo hlezi uzenza uzipractice nini Grootman?
I-pressure mfethu ibhaya yabo but uyazi mawuphethe ama teammate agrand they always have i-backup ukuthi amajita mfethu uyayenza right ngisolenzile igama thina we here to protect you iyenze leyo nto so iskill mfethu uyazi ngayincelebeleni lento mfethu isegazini yabo so yeah mangijima noma ngithola isikhathi ngisendlini mangiyi-1 ngiya practice I understand obviously i-football is entertainment yabo so everyone entertainer ngendlela yakhe which is mina uBlackberry bangazi ngekhombi local yabo izintonyana ezinjalo so yeah creative nje ukuthi mangiseKasi mangizihlelele I understand so yeah.